Yes, people, you don't know media facts, you know, come for talk chat, come for talk facts. You understand? Yeah, man, you don't know, big up the people and respect for the support, just like, share, and subscribe, same speed. You don't know the thing, you see me, but we're there. As you see on the thumbnail, AIDONIA, di. Boy, I don't know people, what going with Donia? Like, the man disappear out of the scene, what going? You know, say, you know, him go through a lot of things, you know, with him son passing away and, you know, and then, you know, him be end up have another youth and thing, you see me, so. We know the situation, but you know, sometimes he will forward out and say him at the baddest thing and is him whatever, but we know him bad lyrically and thing, you know, but we don't really know what really are going on, you see me? And the limited at work and every little thing, you see me? I think last year? Not last year, 2023 when him drop him album and thing and you see me? But you don't know, AIDONIA is a good artist, you know. I remember back in them days when AIDONIA drop bass song. You understand for the girls and the gangster them and every little thing, but I don't really know what go on and the little controversy thing with the father with the man governor and you know, they must say man governor and a link or whatever. You know, and then them father and link up back and thing. You see me? So I don't really know what really go on with Donia, you see me? I guess him surface himself from, you know, him locking himself inside and thing is what I try to say. Yeah. I don't know if him give up on music or whatever, but in the last year him get one hit still, you see me? Battles and you know, and I think Street Vibes with him 02, 0.2 or whatever. You see me with Not Nice and thing. Yeah man, but Donia really know what go on, you see me? And the people ask what go on or whatever, but you know, I'm always come out and say my baddest artist are way. But yeah, I have him talent and thing, but you know, sometimes him kinda leverage certain little things, you see me, cause a good while now when I see him on a stage and thing and is what I try to say so. I know what go on, you see me? A couple people ask what go on with him there or whatsoever, you see me? Can't be seen or, you see me? With him there or whatsoever, but like him isolate himself, but you know, the man keep them thing private, you see me? So nobody not gonna really know what go on in my life or whatsoever, but you know, you have to just understand a man, maybe I go through a thing and you don't know, you see me? And you have to just, you know, you have to just easy and go and do him thing, you see me? So that's the thing people, you see me? But AIDONIA is a good artist. You see me, lyrically him tough man. I tell you, the man have some lyrics out there. You see me, him lyrically man tough. You see me, man tough man. I tell you about the music kinda lacking from him since lately, you see me? Yeah man, kinda lacking man. You see it. I don't really know what I go on still. But you know, kinda rub people away when him say him at the baddest, but him kinda not really do it like how me usually do it back then. You see me, but me not lie still. Anytime I'm missing from out of the scene and forward back, you see me, I realize when him forward back and him forward back with a song, it always do good. You understand? It always do good. And him a good while now I not see him perform on a show still, but you see me, I know he must have some show forwarding up on every little thing, you see me? Yeah man, a couple people I link me and say, yo, what go on with AIDONIA and thing? Oh, we not hear nothing and I say, yo, we don't know what go on, you know, cause you know, we don't know where a man I go through or whatsoever, you know. You see me? Yeah man, I don't know where I'm really I go through. You see it. 2025 you know. You see me? I don't know. When I tell the man I'll take I 2 year, I think I want 2 year break. The man take. You see me and out of the scene and him forward back with a nice song still. You know what song was named with the genre there, you see me? Yeah man, him forward back with that thing man and thing man, you see me? So I don't know what go on people. I just one of them things, you see me, and it's not a brother where I go forward out and talk certain things, you see me? Yeah, him keep him car, you know, him lose him son and certain little things and you know man might take it to heart and one son is it and you see me so when I know him good as all I just focus on him family right now, you see it, or maybe my line up some song for just drop just in a studio drop some, maybe my have a next album a forward, maybe he have some singles he might do, or I don't know, maybe my shoot or some video too, you see me, who knows, you see me, but dancehall at this moment right now, this dancehall I move at a high pace right now, I tell you see me, like dancehall I move fast right now. Like, you have to catch up with the algorithm. Like now, right now, if you're not really doing no much, right now, dancehall thing as a fast pace where artists are going easy if you fall back in line, you see me? Or so-called what them say fall off, you see me? But you don't know as an artist, when you have a good catalog and every little thing, you see me, over the years and thing, you see me? You know, sometimes you go easy because you don't set the foundation there where when you reach all 10 years, if you get a good foundation in 10 years, you see me? You can just go and drop song and certain little thing, you see me? Worse if he's an independent artist, you see it, so I one of them thing there, You see me? And Donia a good artist still. You see me? You don't know him and governor things same way governor do him thing and you see me? But we just don't know where a man a really go through or whatever, you see me? Yeah man, cause when you lose somebody, you know, it can impact your life, you know, you see me? Yeah man. We don't know where a man really a go through if you say, yo, what make him not drop a song or whatever, is it? Cause I'm not gonna come tell, you know, as a man, you don't really tell pain what you feel, is it? Yeah man, you just go through and hold it like a G, you see me? So yeah people, remember to like, share and subscribe to, you know. Yeah man, don't forget, you see me? Just support the channel, same speed, you see me? But yeah man, why Donia? But it's a good if Donia just forward man and you know drop some song and thing, you see me? Cause a good artist, you see me? Yeah man, a good artist man, you see it? Cause I drop some good song over the years man. Remember when I time I Donia run the place man, you see me? Yeah man, Donia that run the place one at the time man, you see me? But you know over the time, you know a good amount of years Donia in the game and him, yeah man, him build him foundation and thing man, you see me? When the man go up on stage man, stage performance up here game, you see me? The man go mash up the place man. You see me? Or with him big song with name Bang Bang Boo, you see me? That yeah man, that tear up the place man, you see me? Yeah man, tear up the place. You see it? You know when I time forward out him I say, man, unite dancehall or whatever, you see me? So but some people are beat him say him nah do nothing or whatever, but you see me, we don't really know where a man go through. You see it and but it's a good if him start, you know, make appearance back in the game and thing, you see me, go and come do some music or whatever, cause dancehall thing right now, you know, and like back then when you have a gatekeeper thing, you know, you see me, and less artists. Back then now, be a gatekeeping and you know enough artists never get the scene or certain unless a big artist a bus care up on stage or whatever. Now, thousands of artists there road, you know, and a good amount of artists are bus, you know. So it's like the cake have to share up more. So you know really have a constantly impact on certain artists when it comes to dancehall. Because dancehall is music. You see me, dancehall is not no social media thing, drama or whatsoever, you see me? Dancehall is music. That's how we know dancehall back then. Because back then you never have social media. You only have music, dancehall, you see me? Yeah, that we are deal with. You see me? So when we talk about dancehall and music, not no social media thing. You see me? Yeah, that different category that. You see me? We talk about dancehall music. So over the years I don't do him thing and you know him have some good hit songs. You see it, good hit song, but you know at the moment you know things kinda easy don't you know one thing, you see me? So you know, you have a lot of artists more out there. The audience them kind of split up, different fans. You see me? All who use their inner that fan base, yeah, them split up, you know, because them start listening to other artists out there. You see me? Yeah, man, the cake slice up, you know. Everybody get them to share. You see me? So it's like you have a cake put on the table. When you slice it up and everybody take, you see me? The whole cake are kind of disappear. All you got there, you got just have the flat board with the cake depend. You see me? So that's why you see in a dancehall right now. Yeah, a lot of artists are drop them song, you know. You see me? Artists are drop song, but it's like social media gets a powerful now where the views are mostly in the drama thing. You see me? In the drama thing right now. So like in the you see me, when you see what go on at the media with Skipper and Keep Rich thing. You see me? Yeah. I just that. And you see me? The music where them a sing or whatsoever. You see it? Yeah. So it more off of social media. It drift from the music gone in a something way. You see me, no right or to do with the system or whatsoever. You see what I'm trying to say? So I just that people. Dancehall. You see me, dancehall have a small percentage when it comes to music to the world, you see me? And this, you see me? People always say Jamaicans support music or whatever, but you have to understand say Jamaica is a third world country, you know. It's not like US and remember say Jamaica about 3 million plus people. US about 300 million. You see, you know the other continent, them Africa, you see me? Couple million that too. You see me? So 3 million people, when you take out a certain percentage of people who can do certain things online. Whereas you don't know Jamaica thing when it comes to online thing and fraud and all of them little things. Certain people just not really interested. You see me? Because they don't want to lose their money or do something wrong. You see me? And at Jamaica, it's hard to get access to credit card and them little things. You see me? Certain little things. You see it? And sometimes it's hard, you know, as a local, you can't get access to certain international things, you see me, if you're there locally. You see me? So the music thing, only thing most Jamaican can do are just play the music and play it, make other people hear. For that way they have support. Or when DJ make them money pull up, you're gonna make your money pull up on every little thing, you see me? Because remember, you know, yeah, you have people in Jamaica where Some of them not even have the gadgets like the smartphone, certain little things. Them don't know the procedure how to go support the music online and certain little thing. Seem like when an artist drop an album and every little thing, you see me, them not really know how to do certain little thing, how to buy certain things. You see what I try to say? Because the industry not really set up that way how Jamaica for support music or whatsoever. And you don't know, we's kind of a poor country, although it kind of balance. It kind of unbalanced. You see what I try to say? Yeah, you have rich, you have poor, but I'm mostly poor, you dominate in Jamaica, you see me? Yeah. And we are talking about poor, we have poor where we look like them have things, but them not really have it. You see me? Them would have all borrow this and borrow that, but yeah. The support thing when it comes to music are 3 million people out of Jamaica. I mean, no, say the 3 million now go get the access there for support the music. And remember, you know, forget your music out there and on a bigger scale. Jamaica alone can't do it. Remember, say a dancehall we are doing, you know, Yes I Foundation, you know. You see me? So if you want to spread your wings out there in the world, you have to push it out there in the world, forget that huge support there. Jamaica alone can't. So sometimes when people are talking about Jamaica not support music, all of Jamaica support music, you need the world too. You see me? You need the world. Can't remember if you put Jamaica in the US, you know, I just want to look at that, you know. You see it? I just want to look at that, especially if you drop it in New York. You see me? So we need more outside to support the music. You see me? Because we done there, so certain people now get the access, credit card for go online and buy music or buy album and them little thing there. Sometimes most of the time I diaspora them do it. But Jamaica, not everybody have the access to do it. You see me? Because for buy music online and them little thing there, you know, you have to use credit card or I don't know if you can use debit card or whatsoever. You see me? And not everybody, and then everybody trust the procedure there too. You see me? And not everybody trust the procedure there. We know the fraud thing at Jamaica already, so it's like people say, yo, and you know some people say, yo, when me get out of this? Worse, you don't know some of the music them, the message in the music them. People say, yo, me not really support certain, you see me? Them say slackness or whatsoever, you see me? So I just that. Cause I remember say enough slack music out there, you know. So it's like some people are gonna say, yo, why me support this, like, you see me? But you have good song out there, CM Speed or reggae, you see me? CM Speed and every little thing. But you really need the world for push the genre, you see me? You need the world to push the genre. You see me? The Jamaica alone can't really push dancehall to the level. You see me? You need the UK, them, you need the USA, them, you need the Canadian, them, you need you understand? You need the whole Europe, you need Japan, you need Asia, you need Russia, you need all of them local places, Australia, Africa, all of them places you need to structure the thing. You see me? Yeah, you need all of them things, man. You see me? But AIDONIA, a good artist, you see me? Enough people, him fans, them would have love if him fall out and drop a couple music, because I saw the thing work, you know. Because, you know, some people will lose interest of certain things, you know, you see me? Yeah, man, them say stop really not to do music or whatever, them say, oh, what go on. Them will just give up and just go on to another fan base or whatever, you see me? Because as fans, you know, you need update and them look at things the same speed, so. Yeah, man. I'm a good artist, same thing, but we don't really know what go on right now, what go on in my life. Maybe my focus on certain things, you see me? Yeah, man. But you don't know him having loyal fans and support when him father, I show them and every little thing, him just do him think. I have a good catalog too, you know. Yeah, man, him have a good catalog too, so when him fought on the stage, and him have a good stage performance as well. Him rock the crowd, man, and everything, you see me? So that good. Him do him thing, him build him foundation and every little thing, but you know, him have a little slow time at time, you know, when him just disappear out of the scene and then him just forward back. You see me? But I just him would have forward out and explain what really are going on, you see me? Yeah. Cause remember, you know, him do him shows, him kind of him time when him do him tour and every little thing. And I saw you go sometimes you take a little break, but you can't take the break long. You see me? Cause certain things with us after say, you see me, you have to keep on giving your fans something for talk about or whatsoever. You see me? You have to give in music or either you perform or whatsoever. You see me? Yeah, man. But you don't know people. Yeah, man, big up on yourself. You don't know media facts. You see me? I'm just come for talk about the situation with AIDONIA, you know? When to see me at the scene, but yeah, we'll soon see him down the line. You see me? All him do not try. That disappear thing there. If you constantly do that, you see me? You will lose fans of same speed, you see me? Or forgotten. You see it and then certain people are going to discredit you and but a good artist see me, but you don't know any people. Media facts, you know. Yeah, man, big up on yourself and keep on support and respect and you see me? Yeah, man, stay safe out there, same speed, you see me? Yeah, man. I hate this, you know. Yeah, man.